Cryptocurrency trading is the process of buying and selling digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others for profit. Unlike traditional currencies, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks called blockchains, which provide security and transparency. In cryptocurrency trading, traders aim to take advantage of price fluctuations in order to make profits. This can be done through various strategies such as buying low and selling high, or by trading based on technical indicators and market trends. To get started with cryptocurrency trading, you'll need a digital wallet to store your cryptocurrencies and a reliable cryptocurrency exchange to facilitate the buying and selling process. It's important to research and choose reputable exchanges that offer security features and a user-friendly interface. While cryptocurrency trading can be exciting and potentially profitable, it's crucial to understand the risks involved. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and subject to rapid price changes, so it's important to set clear trading goals, manage risk effectively, and stay updated on market news and developments. In this video, we'll guide you through the basics of cryptocurrency trading, including how to choose the right cryptocurrencies, read charts, identify trading opportunities, and manage your portfolio. We'll provide you with practical tips and strategies to make your cryptocurrency trading journey more successful and rewarding. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this video will equip you with the knowledge and tools to navigate the world of cryptocurrency trading with confidence. Subscribe to our channel now and join us on this exciting cryptocurrency trading adventure. Cryptocurrency trading is the process of buying and selling digital currencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others with the goal of making a profit. Cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks called blockchains, which ensure transparency, security, and immutability of transactions. In cryptocurrency trading, traders capitalize on the price movements of cryptocurrencies to generate profits. This involves studying market trends, analyzing price charts, and identifying potential trading opportunities. Traders can employ various strategies, including day trading, swing trading, or long-term investing, depending on their goals and risk tolerance. To engage in cryptocurrency trading, you'll need a digital wallet to securely store your cryptocurrencies and a reputable cryptocurrency exchange where you can buy and sell these digital assets. It's essential to research and choose an exchange that offers a user-friendly interface, robust security measures, and a wide range of cryptocurrency options. While cryptocurrency trading can be highly rewarding, it's important to understand the risks involved. The cryptocurrency market is known for its volatility, which means that prices can fluctuate dramatically within short periods. Traders must exercise caution, set realistic trading goals, and employ risk management strategies to protect their investments. In this video, we will guide you through the fundamentals of cryptocurrency trading, providing step-by-step explanations and practical tips. We'll cover topics such as fundamental and technical analysis, understanding candlestick charts, using indicators, and executing trades effectively. Additionally, we'll discuss the importance of staying updated with cryptocurrency news and developments to make informed trading decisions. Whether you're a novice or an experienced trader, our video aims to empower you with the knowledge and skills to navigate the world of cryptocurrency trading successfully. Join our channel and embark on a rewarding journey into the exciting realm of cryptocurrency trading. Thanks for watching.